Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the top 10 countries with the most beautiful women in the world. Beauty is subjective, but we have based our rankings on a combination of culture influence, physical attractiveness, and overall charm. Number 10 on our list is the beautiful country of Argentina. Known for its vibrant culture, Argentina has produced some of the world's most stunning women with their beautiful olive skin, sultry eyes, and luscious hair. Their fairy personalities and confidence also add to their undeniable appeal. Next up, we have Brazil at number 9. Brazilian women are known for their unique beauty, often characterized by their curvaceous figures, glowing skin, and bold personalities. Brazilian women have dominated beauty pageants for years and continue to inspire many with their striking features. At number 8, we have the beautiful women of South Korea. Known for their porcelain-like skin, delicate features, and perfect figures, South Korea women have taken the world by storm with their unique sense of style and beauty. Moving on to number 7, we have Ukraine. Ukrainian women are famous for their ethereal beauty and unique features such as high cheekbones and almond-shaped eyes. They also have a natural grace and charm that sets them apart from women in other parts of the world. At number 6, we have the women of Italy. Italian women are known for their passion, style, and natural beauty. With their striking features and classic sense of fashion, Italian women exude sophistication and elegance. Next up, we have Colombia at number 5. Colombian women are famous for their sensual beauty and fiery personalities. With their sun-kissed skin, curvaceous body, and luscious hair, Colombian women are truly captivating. At number 4, we have the stunning women of Russia. Russian women are famous for their icy beauty, sharp features, and piercing blue eyes. They also have a strong sense of individuality and confidence that makes them stand out in any crowd. Moving on to our top 3, at number 3 we have the women of Venezuela. Venezuelan women are known for their striking beauty, hourglass figures, and luscious hair. They have won countless beauty pageants over years and continue to inspire women around the world. At number 2, we have the beautiful women of the Philippines. With their unique blend of Asian and Spanish features, Filipino women are known for their natural beauty and charming personalities. They have captured the hearts of many with their warm smiles and welcoming nature.
I feel like I have changed since you decide to leave. But once you hold me tight again. No, 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 no. 'Cause I know when I close my eyes, you're somewhere else. Surrounded by the emotions that you never let me breathe. How to find something else inside the world that bleeds. Whenever it gets cold, I know.
And finally, at number 1, we have the women of Lebanon. Lebanese women are known for their exotic beauty with their stunning features and radiant skin. They are also known for their strong personalities and independence, making them truly irresistible.
No one to understand me. But once you hold me tight again. No, 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 no. 'Cause I know when I close my eyes, you're somewhere else. Yes, I know.
Hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, informative, or entertaining. If you like what you saw, please consider giving this video a thumb up and subscribing to the channel. That way you'll be the first to know when we release a new content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss up an upload. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them down in the comment section. We love hearing from our viewers and are always looking for the ways to improve our content.